Welcome to this video where we explore 10 of the most beautiful and modern luxury villas in the world. These homes are not just places to live. They are masterpieces of design, nature, and comfort. From ocean cliffs and hidden beaches to forests and islands, each villa has its own unique beauty. Let's begin the journey. Casa na Areia, Portugal. Casa na Areia is a calm and simple modern villa located near the beach in Portugal. The design is very minimal, with white walls, wooden roofs, and open spaces. One of the most special things about this villa is that some of its rooms have smooth sand floors, connecting the indoors to nature. There are large doors that open to the outside, and the fresh sea air flows through the house. At night, soft lights make the villa feel warm and peaceful. It is a perfect mix of modern design and natural beauty. Villa Amanzi Phuket. Thailand Villa Amanzi is built on a cliff overlooking the blue ocean in Phuket. It has a long infinity pool that looks like it touches the sea. The villa has glass walls, modern furniture, and open living spaces. The design allows sunlight to fill every room. From the pool area, you can see the sunset over the water. This villa is popular among travelers and celebrities because of its location, privacy, and modern style. Villa Azure is a modern white villa built on the cliffs of Santorini. It has smooth walls, glass balconies, and a blue infinity pool that blends with the sea. Inside, the rooms are bright and open with soft lighting and minimal furniture. The view of the sunset from the terrace is one of the most beautiful in the world. This villa is perfect for people who love calm, luxury, and ocean scenery. Hidden Horizon Villa Bali, Indonesia. This villa is surrounded by tropical nature and green hills. It has a floating infinity pool, wooden walkways, and modern glass rooms. The interior is simple and peaceful with stone walls and natural light. Birds and palm trees can be seen from every window. Many travelers visit this villa for its unique mix of jungle and luxury design. Skyway Villa, Dubai. UAE Skyway Villa is a futuristic modern home with smooth curves, wide terraces, and tall glass walls. It has a rooftop pool, smart lighting, and automated rooms. The villa overlooks the desert and the city skyline. At night, the villa glows with LED lights, giving it a high-tech look. It feels like a home from the future. Ocean Pearl Retreat. Seychelles. This villa is built on a private beach surrounded by rocks and palm trees. The design mixes modern glass with natural stone and wood. There is a pool that faces the turquoise water, and the bedrooms open directly to the sand. The sound of waves and fresh ocean air make it a dream vacation spot. Alpine View Villa. Switzerland Alpine View Villa sits on a mountain slope with full glass sides that show snow-covered peaks and forests. The design is modern, with warm wood, metal details, and luxury interiors. The living area has a fireplace and floor-to-ceiling windows. In winter, the villa looks like a modern cabin in a movie, with luxury comfort and natural beauty. Glass Coast Villa sits above the ocean on a rocky coastline in Australia. Almost all the walls are made of glass, giving full views of the sea and sky. The design is clean and modern, with open rooms, wooden floors, and a long balcony. The infinity pool looks like it is part of the ocean. At sunrise and sunset, the whole villa glows with natural light. Cloud Heights Villa. This villa is built high above the rainforest on green hills in Brazil. It has a floating deck, large glass panels, and a pool overlooking the valley. The design is modern but mixed with nature, with stone, wood, and plants around the home. The bedrooms open to outdoor lounges, and the villa feels peaceful and private above the trees. Crystal Bay Villa, Maldives. Crystal Bay Villa is built directly over clear blue water on wooden pillars. It has glass floors in some rooms so you can see fish and coral below. The villa has modern white interiors and a round ocean view pool. Sunlight reflects on the water and fills the villa, making it bright and relaxing all day. Panorama Cliff Villa, Italy. This villa is located on a cliff above the Amalfi Coast. It has modern terraces, curved walls, and glass balconies with sea views. Inside, the rooms are bright with white and light wood designs. The pool is built along the cliff, making it look like it floats above the water. The mix of Italian scenery and modern style makes it very special. Horizon Edge Villa, New Zealand. Horizon Edge Villa is surrounded by mountains, lakes, and green land. The design is ultra-modern with sharp lines and long glass windows. The villa has an infinity pool facing a lake and an outdoor fireplace area. Inside, the rooms are